Hi everyone, I just wanted to go over week number 8 with you guys. So to start, just make sure you're checking your inbox here. I always send messages here before class, and also check announcements. So we'll go to announcements first. And we're on week number 8, so you click on this one. You'll see your assignments for this week. Okay, so you have an assignment in purple. So this one is due if you're in the Monday, Wednesday class, it's due by Thursday. And if you're in the Tuesday, Thursday class, it's due by Friday. So it's the PFT sit and reach practice test, and we will go over that in a little bit. You also have a yoga quiz that you'll have some readings to do, and then you'll take a quiz. You have a fitness log, and then for that's going to be for Monday's classes, and then also for Tuesday's classes. And then for the Monday class, you guys, Monday, Wednesday class, you'll have these 2 assignments due Wednesday. And then if you're in the Tuesday, Thursday class, these will be due on Thursday. Okay, so you'll have a mile run or metaconda, and then you'll have your exercise research project reflection. Okay. And then as always, if you have any questions, email me through Canvas, or you can send me a message through chat as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the modules. So to start, once again, you're going to always want to make sure that you watch the instructional video, and that will in turn unlock the rest of your files. Okay, so just want to go over each of these. So here is a little bit of reading material regarding the backsaver sit and reach test. You can just scroll through this and it'll show you the information regarding that. Unfortunately, you guys we don't have a sit and reach box for everybody at home, so this week, instead of actually taking the test, you guys are just going to practice stretching for it. Okay, so I've also provided a practice video, so I want you to follow along. It's only about 1.5 minutes, but please make sure you watch this and follow along with the video. Once you've watched the video and followed along and practice stretching, you're going to take the quiz. Okay, so you'll click the blue button by taking this quiz. So make sure that you do all those things before you actually take the quiz, though. You don't have to submit anything but this quiz. Let's go ahead and go back to modules. So then we're going to go with Monday's assignment. So the first assignment is fitness logbook number 5. So if you're in the Monday class, it's due Monday. If you're in Tuesday, it'll be due Tuesday. And basically you are just going to be choosing a workout created by one of your classmates that was posted on last week's discussion board. Okay, so you're going to go find the workout that you like in the discussion board. You're going to make sure that you reply by writing your name on it. And this week, it doesn't matter how many people choose one particular person's workout. As many people as you want can sign up for a workout. It doesn't have to be a minimum of 2 like I did previously. And then just make sure that when you submit assignment here, you include these details here. So what was the workout called? Who was it created by? How long did it actually take you to do it? How difficult was it? And then you get the 5 points for writing your name on the workout. So just to show you how to do that, if you go to discussions, it should pop up exercise research project discussion board number 2. So if you click on there, you can scroll down and you can see the different workouts that have been submitted, and you can select one. So if I click reply to one, I can just click on test student and hit post reply. So there we go. I get my 5 points for that. Then I go back up to modules. So I've already got my 5 points, and then after doing whatever workout that I selected and I finished working out, then I'm going to hit submit assignment, and then I'm going to write the following items here to get my other 5 points. And then once you hit submit, you're good to go. Okay, so we'll go ahead and go on to the next assignment. The next assignment, you're going to have two readings. Sometimes they don't come up. It's okay. Click on the white file on top, and then you can read through the information for history of yoga. So this is going to be one of the articles. This one's pretty short. Just read through this one, and then you'll go to the next reading. And once again, if you can't see it this way, if you just click on this, it'll open it up bigger. and you can take a look and read through this information here. This one's a little more lengthier, but it has a lot of good information regarding the history of yoga. Take your time going through it. Make sure you absorb all the information, and then once you've done that, you're going to go into the quiz. So here's the yoga quiz right here. If you click on the yoga quiz, just make sure you read the following: history of yoga, more yoga info, and then you're going to take the yoga quiz. You have 30 minutes to complete the 10 questions, and then you'll click the blue button to begin the quiz right here. So don't start that until you're ready, because you only have 30 minutes. Okay, so those are going to be the 2 assignments for Monday/Tuesday. And then I'll jump to the Wednesday assignments. So Wednesday, Thursday assignments, same thing as usual. You're going to do your mile run. Here's the information here. So run a minimum of 1 mile. Make sure you're tracking it on your cell phone. Make sure you guys are sharing. If you're using Nike, make sure you're sharing your routes with me. If you're on Strava, then it automatically uploads to your feed, which is nice too. Make sure you're submitting the screenshot in the assignment button. Don't just do the workout and assume I can see it on the phone, because I want to make sure that you're submitting it so I can give you a grade. And then here are your running outside instructions. So you get the following amount of points for making sure that I can see these photos that are submitted in the submission box. So make sure you show me the distance, the map of where you ran. If I just see a blue dot and no course map, you're not getting points for that. So make sure I see the actual course map. And I want to see the points awarded you get for total mile time and for the date. I need to make sure that it's today's date or the date of the run. And then if you run indoors, here are your instructions. So make sure you put a post-it on the treadmill or take a selfie. And I need to see your name, date, the word of the week this week is runner, and then you get 3 points for showing me distance, 3 points for showing me time, and then it's a total of 10 points there. Or if you do Metaconda, it's 10 points for uploading a 10-minute video. Okay, so once you go there, you'll just hit submit assignment, and you can post that info right there. And then the last activity for the week is going to be your reflection. So you can actually do this early if you want. So if you finish your workout, your fitness workout from, where is it, right here, fitness logbook number 5. If you finish that early and you want to just write your reflection right away, you can do it. It's open. But it's not due till Wednesday/Thursday. Okay, so you get 10 points, and I know you guys are familiar. You've done this before. You get 10 points for doing 2 paragraphs. Paragraph 1, you're going to reflect about the fitness workout you created. Okay, how did you feel about the workout? How would you compare it with the workout you created with the one you did? Would you change or improve anything about the workout you created? Make sure you're writing a paragraph about that. And then the second paragraph is going to be reflect on the fitness workout you did. So answer the following questions. What made you choose that workout? How did you like the workout? What are 2 things you would suggest to improve the activity? If you had to grade the workout, 1 being the worst, 10 being the best, what would you rate it? Okay, and just FYI, a paragraph is 4 to 5 sentences. I have some of you guys writing reflections, and it's 1 paragraph about, or 1 sentence about your workout and 1 sentence about the workout you did. That is not a paragraph. So make sure you guys are following these instructions. They're pretty clear. And then you'll submit the assignment by just clicking the blue button, and you can either put it in the text box. You can upload a file if you have it saved on like a Word doc. You can just write it straight on here. You can enter your Google, if you put it on a Google Docs, you can enter the URL here, or also enter it through your Google Drive here. Okay, and then you would just hit submit. Okay, so that's pretty much all of the activities for this week. Let me make sure that I've covered everything. Yes, and your review, so just kind of what we reviewed for the week. This page always just kind of tells you what we went over, so you know. And just a couple of housekeeping issues. The end of quarter 1 is October 21st, so it's fast approaching. So if you guys need to get some extra credit points in, make sure you guys are doing my weekend 5Ks. Those are worth 30 points, and that'll bump your grade up quite a bit. So if you have any questions, always send me an email through this Canvas inbox right here, or message me through chat if you have any questions. I will be posting a Sign Up Genius if you guys need to meet for office hours regarding any questions, or you can always just email me personally to set up an appointment for office hours. If you have any questions, though, just please feel free to reach out. Thank you. Have a good day.